of the new doctors here at Natural Transplants, and we're interviewing Bryce here for his 1-year follow-up after his surgery with Dr. Hubner. How's it going? How's life with him?
Life's good. I'm very happy with the outcome. It's a big difference from what I was to what I am now, and a lot of people have noticed the difference, and yeah, I'm very happy with what it looks like now.
Awesome. Any family, friends, they surprised when they see you, or is it coming kind of slow, where it's kind of a slow, getting people, you get used to it?
Yeah, you know what, they don't really actually notice it. Like I say, they don't make any comments. I don't think they've ever actually seen what I was before, so I don't know. They don't really, I don't get any comments, but I know what was there before and what now, so I'm good with it.
Awesome,
yeah.
Awesome. I'm going to have you put your chin down to your chest. We're just going to do some side-by-sides in real time so people can really see the difference. And this angle for sure is, undeniable in terms of how much more hair you have and what a better change you have now. Good. And then we're going to have you look to the left or right, either way. Good. Stay right there. You can see from the side profile now he has a nice shelf of hair, so he doesn't have that big recession like he had before. And then we'll have you turn the other way, if you would. Perfect. To come around here. Again, look at that nice shelf, and he's styling his hair in such a nice way. Good. And then Dr. Rose, if you could turn around, face him that way. We're going to take a look at his crown. And the other thing, though, is the scar is not an issue. And now he says, he gets his hair extremely low, that sometimes it can be, exposed at maybe like a 1. But at a 2 or 3, it's usually not an issue. Look at this spiral that we've made, we basically recreated, and you can see how the hairs are going to shoot around in a natural way. So this is a guy that had basically an open crown before. And you can see what a difference it makes. Great. You can turn it back around. So Bryce, thank you so much for showing people. Can you work out today?
Yeah.
Thanks so much for showing people your results, and really happy for you. And again, if Bryce ever wanted to double up on the density, he could. So we were discussing whether that's something he may want, but there's no rush on that. He has plenty of time to enjoy the hair he has, and just he'll always have that hair. It's going to be there permanently, and that's the nice thing about hair transplants. No maintenance required. So thanks again, Bryce, and looking forward to seeing how life with hair is.
Thanks.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.